Have you ever installed a zipper? I was scared to death of any project that had a zipper. I learned to quilt as an adult. I only did straight line stitching, maybe a few curves here and there, but I never tackled any garment sewing. So I had no experience with zippers until the April Island Batik challenge rolled around. And the theme this month was "It's all up to you." Island Batik left it wide open for ambassadors to choose any project that they wanted to work on this month. So I decided it was time to conquer my fear of zippers. Luckily, my friend was having a class for a boxy tote, and I thought this is the sign from the universe that it is time for me to learn a new skill. So I successfully installed my very first zipper. Let's take a look at this project. Hi, I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. You can see that this tote is a fairly simple construction. The first step was preparing the quilt sandwich. I was excited to use the Mystery Collection by Island Batik Fabrics in these wonderful greens, blues, and purples. And I just cut strips from a layer cake package. So I made just a striped background and a solid lining for my bag. There's instructions for this cute little tab on the end as a handle, and the zipper, of course, was the main focus of the project. Some things to know about zippers. The zipper foot for your sewing machine has only one side because you don't want that other side to get in the way of the actual teeth of the zipper. And the hardest part is moving the zipper pull in and out of the way of your sewing, but I managed to finagle that with my regular presser foot, and it wasn't too much of a problem. You can use any size zipper because it's very easy to make it the exact length you need. Just sew back and forth over the teeth wherever you need to end your zipper, and you're ready to go. You can see that I did not do very professional finishing on this. I just attached the zipper to the wrong side of my quilt sandwich, used a zigzag stitch to apply it, and I was good to go. For this utilitarian project and my first adventure with the zippers, I thought that was just fine, and it came together very easily. You have to turn the bag inside out to sew those corners, and there's a little bit of origami going on there with the with those seams, and they're a little bit off, but again, this is a first attempt and I am delighted with this. So you can, turn it back to the right side out, zip it up, and you're ready to fill it up with some sewing notions or pens and pencils for a child's school pouch. This would be a great lunch tote. So many options to do with zipper pouches, and I am glad I conquered my fear. What new sewing skill are you learning? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your sewing adventures. And if you're interested in more of my Island Batik ambassador journey, check out these videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.